In the second unit, there are two parts: aromatic carboxylic acids and aromatic sulfonic acids. In the previous periods, we had discussed about aromatic carboxylic acids. Today we are going to discuss about aromatic sulfonic acids. And in this, mainly we are going to discuss about benzene sulfonic acid. Now, what are different points in aromatic sulfonic acids that we will see? This is our second unit, that is aromatic carboxylic and sulfonic acids. Benzene sulfonic acid, mainly we are going to discuss introduction, preparation of benzene sulfonic acid from benzene with mechanism, chemical reactions of benzene sulfonic acid, salt formation, formation of sulfonyl chloride, formation of sulfonic ester and amide, replacement of sulfonic group by hydroxyl group, cyano group, hydrogen atom and NH2 group. These are different points that we are going to discuss in this topic, that is sulfonic acids. But today we are going to discuss only 2 points, that is introduction and then preparation of benzene sulfonic acid from benzene with its mechanism. Now, in introduction, we are going to discuss about definition of aromatic sulfonic acids. That means what are aromatic sulfonic acids? Organic compounds in which sulfonic acid functional group, that is SO3H group, is directly attached to aromatic ring are called aromatic sulfonic acids. This is one of the important classes of aromatic compounds, that is aromatic sulfonic acids. Aromatic sulfonic acids हे ऑर्गॅनिक कंपाऊंडचे एक इम्पॉर्टंट क्लास आहे. ज्या ऑर्गॅनिक कंपाऊंड्समध्ये सल्फॉनिक फंक्शनल ग्रुप हा ॲरोमॅटिक रिंगला डायरेक्टली अटॅच असेल त्याला आपण ॲरोमॅटिक सल्फोनिक ॲसिड्स असं म्हणतो. ॲरोमॅटिक सल्फोनिक ॲसिड्स are those organic compounds in which sulfonic acid functional group म्हणजे SO3H group. ज्या ऑर्गॅनिक कंपाऊंड्समध्ये SO3H ग्रुप हा ॲरोमॅटिक रिंगला डायरेक्टली अटॅच असेल त्याला आपण म्हणायचं ॲरोमॅटिक सल्फोनिक ॲसिड्स. We will see general formula of sulfonic acids, which is ArSO3H, where AR is aryl group. Aromatic sulfonic acid चा जनरल फॉर्म्युला आहे ArSO3H. AR म्हणजे aryl ग्रुप आणि SO3H म्हणजे सल्फोनिक ॲसिड ग्रुप. फॉर एक्झाम्पल बेंझिन सल्फोनिक ॲसिड ॲरोमॅटिक सल्फोनिक ॲसिडचा इम्पॉर्टंट मेंबर आहे किंवा एक्झाम्पल आहे बेंझिन सल्फोनिक ॲसिड. What is benzene sulfonic acid? Here it is given, that is benzene sulfonic acid. Here we can see that SO3H group is directly attached to aromatic ring. Benzene sulfonic acid हे aromatic sulfonic acid चे एक्झाम्पल आहे आणि त्याच्यामध्ये आपण पाहू शकतो की SO3H ग्रुप हा बेंझिन रिंगला अटॅच आहे. The simplest member of this class, that is benzene sulfonic acid, may be written as follows, like this. That is benzene ring having SO3H, or this can be written like this also. SO3H group can be written like this also. This is SO3H group, which is directly attached to aromatic ring, and therefore it is called as aromatic sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid is important member of aromatic sulfonic acids or important example of aromatic sulfonic acids. Aromatic sulfonic acids may be defined in different ways as follows. The derivatives of aromatic hydrocarbons in which one or more hydrogen atoms of the aromatic ring, that is benzene ring, have been replaced by the functional group SO3H are called the aromatic sulfonic acids. This is one more definition of aromatic sulfonic acids. Previous was the organic compounds in which SO3H group is directly attached to benzene ring, they are called as aromatic sulfonic acids. This is second definition. The derivatives of aromatic hydrocarbons in which one or more hydrogen atoms of the aromatic ring have been replaced by the function SO3H are called the aromatic sulfonic acids. See here, this is benzene ring, that is aromatic hydrocarbon. Benzene is one of the examples of aromatic hydrocarbons. Now here one hydrogen is removed. This is benzene, aromatic hydrocarbon, benzene aromatic hydrocarbon. Here one hydrogen is removed in the form of proton, and therefore this becomes, this is now aryl group, C6H5 phenyl group we can say. Now here SO3H group is added here, and this is benzene sulfonic acid, aromatic sulfonic acid. That means according to this definition, aromatic hydrocarbons are converted into aromatic sulfonic acids by removing one or more hydrogen atoms of aromatic ring by SO3H group. म्हणजे ह्या ठिकाणी aromatic hydrocarbons मधून एक किंवा अनेक हायड्रोजन काढून त्या ठिकाणी आपण SO3H ग्रुप ठेवल्यास aromatic sulfonic acids आपल्याला मिळतात. One more definition. In another words, aromatic sulfonic acids are compounds in which one or more sulfonic acid groups are attached directly to the aromatic ring through the sulfur atom. Thus, they contain carbon-sulfur bond. Therefore, they are also referred to as organosulfur compounds. Aromatic sulfonic acids ह्यांना organosulfur compounds असं सुद्धा आपण म्हणू शकतो. Aromatic sulfonic acids could be regarded as derived from sulfuric acid by substitution of aryl group for OH group. See here, this is sulfuric acid. One more definition of aromatic sulfonic acids, in which one OH group is removed and SO3H aryl group is added. This is aryl group, and there is formation of benzene sulfonic acid. This is the another definition, that is aromatic sulfonic acids are regarded as derived from sulfuric acid by substitution of aryl group for OH group. या ठिकाणचा जो OH group आहे, this OH group is replaced by SO3H group. Therefore, it is called as aromatic sulfonic acid. Now we'll see benzene sulfonic acid. Now we have discussed aromatic sulfonic acids म्हणजे काय आता आपल्याला कळालेलं आहे. ज्या ऑर्गॅनिक कंपाउंड मध्ये SO3H ग्रुप सल्फोनिक ॲसिड ग्रुप ॲरोमॅटिक रिंगला डायरेक्टली अटॅच असतो त्या कंपाऊंडला म्हणायचं ॲरोमॅटिक सल्फोनिक ॲसिड्स. आता बेंझिन सल्फोनिक ॲसिड म्हणजे काय? बेंझिनला जर डायरेक्टली SO3H ग्रुप अटॅच असेल तर त्याला म्हणायचं बेंझिन सल्फोनिक ॲसिड. Benzene sulfonic acid is the parent member of an aromatic sulfonic acid class in which SO3H group is directly bonded to benzene ring. See here, it is benzene sulfonic acid. This can be written as like this also. That is SO3H group is shown in different way. Benzene sulfonic acid हे aromatic sulfonic acid चा parent member आहे, मूळ मेंबर आहे. आणि ह्यामध्ये आपण काय केलंय की बेंझिन रिंगला SO3H ग्रुप हे डायरेक्टली अटॅच केलेला आहे, बेंझिन सल्फोनिक ॲसिड. नाउ विल सी प्रिपरेशन ऑफ बेंझिन सल्फोनिक ॲसिड फ्रॉम बेंझिन. बेंझिन सल्फोनिक ॲसिड बेंझिन पासून कसं तयार करतात ते आपण पाहूया. Benzene sulfonic acid is prepared by direct sulfonation of benzene using fuming sulfuric acid or excess of concentrated sulfuric acid. बेंझिन सल्फोनिक ॲसिड हे बेंझिनच्या सल्फोनेशन रिॲक्शनपासून आपल्याला तयार करता येते आणि सल्फोनेशनसाठी आपण दोन रिएजंट वापरू शकतो, एक फ्युमिंग सल्फ्युरिक ॲसिड आणि दुसरं जे आहे ते कॉन्सन्ट्रेटेड सल्फ्युरिक ॲसिड. म्हणजे बेंझिन सल्फोनिक ॲसिड बेंझिनपासून तयार करायच्या दोन रिॲक्शन्स आहेत. पहिल्या रिॲक्शनमध्ये बेंझिन हे फ्युमिंग सल्फ्युरिक ॲसिड बरोबर रिॲक्ट केल्यानंतर आपल्याला बेंझिन सल्फोनिक ॲसिड मिळते. तर दुसऱ्या रिॲक्शनमध्ये बेंझिन हे कॉन्सन्ट्रेटेड सल्फ्युरिक ॲसिड बरोबर रिॲक्ट केल्यानंतर सुद्धा बेंझिन सल्फोनिक ॲसिड आपल्याला मिळते. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी दोन रिॲक्शन्स आपण सांगू शकतो. पहिली रिॲक्शन आहे बेंझिन प्लस SO3 that is sulfur trioxide which is called as H2SO4 60 degrees Celsius, and there is formation of benzene sulfonic acid. This is benzene. This is fuming sulfuric acid. What is fuming sulfuric acid? Fuming sulfuric acid is 20% SO3 dissolved in concentrated H2SO4. Concentrated H2SO4 मध्ये जर SO3 dissolved असेल, that is called as a fuming sulfuric acid. Fuming sulfuric acid is nothing but 20% sulfur trioxide SO3 dissolved in concentrated H2SO4. The reaction is shown here, that is benzene plus fuming sulfuric acid giving benzene sulfonic acid, and the reaction takes place at 60 degrees Celsius. 60 डिग्री टेम्परेचरला ही रिॲक्शन होते. दुसरी रिॲक्शन आहे, दुसरी रिॲक्शन आपण पाहूयात. बेंझिन रिॲक्टिंग विथ सल्फ्युरिक ॲसिड, एक्सेस ऑफ कॉन्सन्ट्रेटेड सल्फ्युरिक ॲसिड, and the reaction takes place at 120 degrees Celsius, and the product is benzene sulfonic acid. This is benzene, this is benzene sulfonic acid. म्हणजे बेंझिनपासून बेंझिन सल्फोनिक ॲसिड तयार करण्याच्या दोन रिॲक्शन्स आपल्याला सांगता येतील किंवा दोन मेथड्स आपल्याला सांगता येतील. पहिली रिॲक्शन आहे बेंझिन प्लस फ्युमिंग सल्फ्युरिक ॲसिड. दुसरी रिॲक्शन आहे बेंझिन प्लस कॉन्सन्ट्रेटेड सल्फ्युरिक ॲसिड. नाउ विल सी वन बाय वन. आता आपण ही प्रत्येक रिॲक्शन सेपरेटली डिस्कस करूयात. प्रिपरेशन ऑफ बेंझिन सल्फोनिक ॲसिड फ्रॉम बेंझिन. बेंझिन सल्फोनिक ॲसिड इज प्रिपेअर्ड बाय डायरेक्ट सल्फोनेशन ऑफ बेंझिन युझिंग फ्युमिंग सल्फ्युरिक ॲसिड. हे स्टेटमेंट आहे. बेंझिन सल्फोनिक ॲसिड बेंझिनपासून कसं तयार करायचं त्याचे. बेंझिन सल्फोनिक ॲसिड इज प्रिपेअर्ड बाय डायरेक्ट सल्फोनेशन ऑफ बेंझिन युझिंग फ्युमिंग सल्फ्युरिक ॲसिड. This is the reaction. Benzene plus sulfur trioxide giving reacting with sulfuric acid at 60 degrees Celsius and giving benzene sulfonic acid. This is benzene reacting with fuming sulfuric acid and forming benzene sulfonic acid. This is the first reaction. In this reaction, benzene is reacted with fuming sulfuric acid, and combination of sulfur trioxide and sulfuric acid is called as fuming sulfuric acid. सल्फ्युरिक ॲसिडमध्ये 20% SO3 जर डिझॉल्व केलेला असेल तर त्या सल्फ्युरिक ॲसिडला म्हणायचं फ्युमिंग सल्फ्युरिक ॲसिड. आणि बेंझिन ज्या वेळेला फ्युमिंग सल्फ्युरिक ॲसिड बरोबर रिॲक्ट होतो त्यावेळेला आपल्याला बेंझिन सल्फोनिक ॲसिड मिळते. नाउ विल सी इट्स मेकॅनिझम. What is mechanism behind this reaction? Step 1. An electrophile is formed. This is the reaction by which we can prepare our electrophile, in which SO3, that is sulfur trioxide, is reacting with sulfuric acid, and there is formation of, this is fuming sulfuric acid, and this is an electrophile, that is SO3H. This is an electrophile. See here, in this one bond is going here to catch this H, and there is formation of OH bond, whereas this SO3H is becoming negative. That means here there is formation of electrophile SO3H plus, which is nothing but our electrophile. That means this is the first step in which we are going to form an electrophile. That means in this mechanism, the first step is formation of an electrophile. That is, in the first step there is electrophile is obtained. What is second step now? An electrophile attacks the benzene ring to form a resonance stabilized carbocation. Now obtained electrophile reacts with, see here, this is our electrophile reacting with this benzene ring. That is called as a electrophile attack the benzene ring. There is formation of positively charged carbon here. Therefore, it is called as a carbocation. That means here in this second step there is formation of carbocation. This is resonance stabilized carbocation. That means this carbocation undergoes resonance, show three structures that is given here, which is called as a resonance stabilized carbocation. Now in the third step, what will happen? There is loss of proton for giving benzene sulfonic acid. This is our the third step in which this proton is abstracted by this SO3H becoming H2SO4, and therefore there is formation of this type of our required compound, that is benzene sulfonic acid. This is required product, that is benzene sulfonic acid. This complete reaction can be summarized in one page like this. This is our reaction, and these are three steps: formation of an electrophile, attack of an electrophile on benzene ring, formation of carbocation, and the loss of proton, formation of benzene sulfonic acid. आपण ज्या मागे तीन स्टेप्स दाखवलेले आहेत, या तीन स्टेप आपल्याला ह्या पद्धतीने सुद्धा लिहिता येतील, ज्याच्यामध्ये आपण दाखवलेलं आहे की रिॲक्शन आणि त्याचे मेकॅनिझम हे एकाच पेजवर आपण घेतलेलं आहे. हेच वेगळ्या पद्धतीने म्हणजे प्रिंटेड फॉर्ममध्ये असं दाखवलेलं आहे. मेकॅनिझम तुम्ही मागची सुद्धा लिहू शकता किंवा ही सुद्धा लिहू शकता, वन अँड द सेम, फक्त हे प्रिंटेड मॅटर आहे, प्रिंटेड मॅटरमध्ये आपण दिलेलं आहे. Now the second reaction that we will discuss, benzene sulfonic acid is prepared by direct sulfonation of benzene using excess of concentrated sulfuric acid. This is second reaction in which benzene is reacting with sulfuric acid, which is in the excess form. This reaction takes place at 120 degrees Celsius. This is benzene, concentrated sulfuric acid, and this is our benzene sulfonic acid. Now its mechanism, what is its mechanism? This is our reaction, benzene, concentrated sulfuric acid and benzene sulfonic acid. Now we will see its mechanism. Again there are three steps in the mechanism. In the first step there is formation of an electrophile. Now in this reaction there is reaction between two molecules of sulfuric acid. मागच्या रिॲक्शन मध्ये जी पहिली स्टेप होती ती SO3 आणि सल्फ्युरिक ॲसिड ह्या दोघांमध्ये होते. आता दोन सल्फ्युरिक ॲसिडच्या मॉलिक्यूलमध्ये रिॲक्शन आहे. ह्या ठिकाणी SO3H मायनस तयार झालं आणि हा हायड्रोजन ह्या इकडे गेल्यामुळे इथं वॉटर फॉर्ममध्ये दाखवलेलं आहे आपल्याला, आणि वॉटर बाहेर पडल्याच्या नंतर आपल्याला मिळते ते इलेक्ट्रोफाईल. दिस इज formation of an electrophile. This is concentrated sulfuric acid, this is our electrophile. म्हणजे दोन्ही रिॲक्शन मध्ये पहिली स्टेप जी असेल ते फॉर्मेशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोफाईल किंवा इलेक्ट्रोफाईल फॉर्मेशन. नाउ सेकंड स्टेप सेम, that is an electrophile attacks the benzene ring to form a resonance stabilized carbocation. This is the second step which is similar to previous one. मागच्या फक्त ह्या दोन रिॲक्शन मध्ये इलेक्ट्रोफाईल फॉर्मेशनची जी पहिली स्टेप आहे तीच वेगळी आहे, बाकी सेकंड आणि थर्ड स्टेप हे सेम आहे. दिस इज रेझोनन्स स्टॅबिलाइज्ड कार्बोकॅटायन. Now in the third step there is loss of proton giving benzene sulfonic acid. This is the last step, giving benzene sulfonic acid. This is benzene sulfonic acid that we are obtained here. This reaction also can be summarized on single page. This is the complete reaction and mechanism. This is printed matter. The mechanism can also be written like here. In this we are going to prepare SO3 now. This is आता या दोन्ही रिॲक्शन आपण एकाच पेजवर घेतलेल्या आहेत. दोन्ही रिॲक्शनची मेकॅनिझम. पहिली स्टेप हे दोन पद्धतीने घेतलेली आहे. पहिले जे रिॲक्शन दाखवले ते दिस इज द फर्स्ट रिॲक्शन विच इज फ्रॉम फ्युमिंग सल्फ्युरिक ॲसिड अँड सेकंड वन इज फ्रॉम सल्फ्युरिक ॲसिड. In both the cases we are going to prepare sulfonic acid group, that is our electrophile. This is second step, that is attack of electrophile, and the third step is loss of proton. These are the three steps we can show here. This is step 1, there is formation of electrophile. This is second step, that is formation of resonance stabilized carbocation. And this is the third step where there is formation of benzene sulfonic acid. This is complete preparation of benzene sulfonic acid. Now what type of questions may be asked in the examination? That is question bank. What are aromatic sulfonic acids? How will you prepare benzene sulfonic acid from benzene and give its mechanism? Or explain sulfonation of benzene with mechanism, or give preparation of benzene sulfonic acid with mechanism. These are the different questions which may be asked in the examination. Now in this we have completed that what are aromatic sulfonic acids. ज्या ऑर्गॅनिक कंपाऊंडमध्ये SO3H जो सल्फोनिक ॲसिड ग्रुप आहे ॲरोमॅटिक रिंगला जर डायरेक्टली अटॅच असेल तर त्याला म्हणायचं ॲरोमॅटिक सल्फोनिक ॲसिड्स. आणि सल्फोनेशन ऑफ बेंझिन गिव्ज बेंझिन सल्फोनिक ॲसिड. हे दोनच पॉईंट ह्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण पाहिलेले आहेत.